Hey everyone, this is Biju here for Tune to Tech, and today we are going to test out the TheatreMax technology and the Dolby Atmos in the Lenovo K6 Note. So first of all, let's have a look at the TheatreMax technology. So if we long press the power button, you will get an option like VR mode. So if we choose VR mode, you could see that the screen splits into two parts so that you could use it in a VR headset. So you can see that the entire UI changed, even the app drawer. So let's bring out a VR headset and test out the TheatreMax technology. So for this I have the VR box, which is one of the cheapest headsets you could get. I have already made a video about the headset, so you could check that out. So we have kept the device onto the headset, and this is how it looks through the headset. So let's play a video which was shot with this device. So this is the stock video player that comes with the phone, and I have not installed any VR app from the Play Store to play it in the VR mode. So that's what they call it as the TheatreMax technology, which just converts any app that is installed on this device to be viewed with the VR headset. So if you turn off VR mode, you will be back to normal screen. So we have tested it, and it feels like a curved theater screen, which will be good for watching movies, videos and stuff like that. But there are VR apps that you could get in the Play Store that has the same functionality, which would just convert your normal video to be viewed in the headset. So according to my point of view, the TheatreMax technology is not a big feature to say, but it is good that the phone comes with this option so that you don't need to install any third-party apps for VR experience. So let's now test out the Dolby Atmos audio in this device. The speaker grills are placed at the bottom of the device. Let's now try with some other music. Okay, so in both the cases the audio was pretty loud and clear. Now, so surely a thumbs up for the audio quality. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.